Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to a game in Roblox Studio. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, go ahead and go to the Explorer tab right here in the right panel. But if you don't have it, just click on Explorer right here. It will pop up. Okay. And once done, go ahead and find Sound Service. Click on the plus sign, and then just go ahead and click on Sound. And here, as you can see, at the bottom, we have a Sound ID, and we don't have it yet. So what you'll do basically is open up a browser and go ahead over to roblox.com and just log in with your account. And then once you're in here, just click on Create at the top. Wait for it to load. And then once done, you can go ahead over to your creations if you have your own music. If not, just go ahead over to Store, click on it and find Audio. Okay? Click on Audio and you can go ahead and filter this out however you want. Let's say, for example, I wanted to add in some hip-hop music. All right? Now browse through right here. You'll be able to see the length. Okay, let's say for example I'm going to add in this hip hop blockchain. Okay, so what we'll do is just click on it, and then click on more info. And as you can see here at the top, we have the ID. So just bring the ID or copy it. Right click and cut or copy if you want to. Now go ahead and minimize this one. Go back to Roblox Studio. Find the Roblox ID section, or Sound ID section right here. Click on it, right click and paste. There you go. And then just tap away. All right. Or you can go ahead and hit on enter. You can go ahead and preview the music. Just click on this play button. Okay. And then go ahead and scroll down if you're happy with it. Make sure that it is looped if you want to. And also playing, enable it. And then after that, basically just click on play right here. And the background music will just load. All right. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to add music to game or to a game in Roblox Studio. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.